In this video we will learn about revolve command in Autocad. So first I need to create a 2D geometry, then I can go for revolve. To create any 3D geometry we need to first create a 2D geometry with the help of 2D command available in Autocad. I will choose polyline 2D command to create a 2D geometry. I will first mark a first point with the help of mouse, then I will define at different dimensions of P line. I have defined 30, then I will define 10, again then 20, 20, 10 and 30. So this is my 2D geometry that I will go for revolve this 2D geometry. I can also create this type of 2D geometry with the help of line command, but to create a 2D geometry with the help of line command we need to go for region before selecting revolve. With the help of P line or polyline, this 2D geometry will behave like a region and we can directly go for revolve without choosing region command. To create revolve I will press REV in command prompt, then enter. Then Autocad will ask for selection of object. I will select object with the help of mouse, then press enter. Then Autocad will ask for axis start point, axis at which about I want to revolve this 2D geometry. So this will be my axis start point and this will be my axis end point about which I want to revolve this part. So now I can go for angle of revolution. Autocad will ask for angle of revolution. I will define 360 as an angle of revolution. So this is my revolved part. I can choose wireframe view and I can see that how revolution take place. Conceptual visual style will give better view. So this is my revolve part. Procedure I can see from this command prompt. I have first choose P line and create a 2D geometry with the help of P line, and then I will go for revolution. I have selected a part and then I have defined axis of revolution and then I have defined angle of revolution. I can copy this procedure and can paste on Word. So this is my procedure. I have choose P line to create revolve. I have defined dimension of different lines. Then I go for revolve. To create revolve I have first select the object, then I have defined axis start point and axis end point with the help of mouse, and then finally I have defined the angle of revolution. So this is all about revolved part. For any query you can type on comment box. Thank you.